Okay guys, in this video we're going to take a look at shipping. So it can be a little bit confusing. There's different ways we can approach this. So I'll show you the way I recommend. Once you've got it down, you only need to set it up once. Once you've got it down, you'll be good to go. So I thought better add this in before you go crazy with adding your products. So first of all, let's come down to settings and let's go to shipping over here. So Shopify will have your local country there with standard and heavyweight, it should say there. Then it'll have rest of the world. Now I recommend you leave it like this, but set the price for the rest of the world, what you're going to have for shipping. But I'll just have your main country that you're going to be selling in, and then have one price for the rest of the world. Okay, so you can add shipping zones. So for instance, you could have UK and United States, then the rest of the world, or you could have UK, United States, Australia, Canada, then the rest of the world. So you could have the top 5 countries, but most likely I would say pretty much everyone's going to want their local country and the rest of the world. So that works. Just make sure you remember to set the price, and again, it's going to be different for everybody. Some people are going to want to include shipping in their price of their list price of their products. Some people won't, just down to personal preference on that. And of course, everybody's going to be using different vendors and stuff, so everybody's shipping will be different. But you will also need to check the cost of how much it's going to cost you to have that product shipped for your customer as well. So make sure you don't shoot yourself in the foot and charge them, not charge them enough. So if you want to add another country, you go to add shipping zone up here, and then you add your country. Okay, but we're probably not going to do that. I don't recommend. You don't really need to do that, but you will want to edit you definitely need to edit the one where you're going to be operating in. So we've got price-based rates here, so let's add a price-based rate. So these are kind of rules that we set. So when a customer buys a product and they get to the checkout, Shopify knows what price to charge them for shipping. So here, for instance, we could have free shipping on order over £100. Okay, you see this a lot on websites. Minimum order price 100. It's a great way to get people to bump their order up. You could sort of, maybe you could have free shipping on 2 canvas prints, and you could say add another canvas print and you'll get free shipping. That's very powerful. It works very, very well. A lot of people will go out their way to add that extra item to their cart just to get free shipping. So if it's over £100, we check this and it automatically gives them free shipping. Whatever products they've added, they're going to get free shipping. You could also do it so that you could have a shipping discount. So if it was over 100, say they only pay £5 for it. Okay, if you want to set that rule up, that's fine. Okay, but we'll stick it with free shipping at orders over 100. Okay, now weight based here. Let's click edit. So minimum order weight 0.1 kilograms, maximum 0.1. Whoops. We'll have that at £10. Okay. So with the weight, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be setting our products. One canvas print is going to weigh 0.1. So let's cancel because that's already set. Let's go and have a quick peek at a product. Now, if you've already uploaded your products, don't panic. Simply go into a product, check this box here, click edit variants. Okay, and then add fields, weight. That will bring up our weight thing here. If you're using metric or imperial, you can change it there. But here we're going to highlight the top box. We're going to hold shift, highlight the bottom one so it does them all at once. 0.1 like that. Thank you very much. Hit save. Now we've just saved that product to 0.1. So when a customer puts that product in their in the cart, in the basket, and they get there, Shopify is going to know that it's 0.1. Now let's say they get 2. Shipping. So minimum order weight is 0.2, 0.2, like so. So this might be, you know, £20. Let's go, done. Okay, so 0.1 is £10. That would be one canvas print. 0.2 would be £20, because if they had 2 canvas prints, by the time they got to the checkout, Shopify would realize that it weighed 0.2. So you get the idea. We can go through this. Let's minimum order weight would be, what are we at, 0.3, 0.3, and this might be, say, £25. Remember to check with your provider how much it's costing you. Okay, and then let's add a rate. Let's go 0.4, 0.4, and let's call this free shipping. So this time they order 4 products, and now they get free shipping because we're making plenty of money on our thing. So you can break this down into as many stages as you want, because you know that it's going to be working out from the price here. So let's hit save, and let's just go and have a quick look and hope that this works, which it should do. View the product. So I'm adding the product to the cart. So one product, let's go and check out. Standard shipping, £10. Oh, I nearly checked out there. Back to cart. Let's up this to 2. Hit checkout. £20 there because it's 2 products. Let's come back to our cart. Let's up it to 3. Checkout. What did we set that one for? 25. Yep, there we go. 25. And then if I bump it up one more, checkout, we're going to hit free shipping. Boom. There we go. Okay, so can be a little bit confusing, but once you've got your head around it, it's absolutely fine. You only need to set up these shipping rates once, and then once you're uploading products, you get into the habit of setting the weight to 0.1 or whatever you choose to set it for, and you're away to go. You never have to think about it ever again. Okay, thanks guys, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye for now.